The cotton fiber shipment has been cleared for processing. Storage coordinates confirmed. Alpha Gamma 7. Proceed with transfer.
Welcome to a J Factory Flow, where we uncover the amazing secrets behind the world's most fascinating products, currencies, and manufacturing processes. Have you ever wondered how a simple raw material transforms into an incredible product? Or what hidden details and stories are found behind the currencies used around the world? From giant factories and advanced machines to skilled craftsmanship and unique production techniques, we bring you closer to the journey behind every creation. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the incredible world of technology, industry, and innovation. If you enjoy discovering how things are made and learning amazing facts from around the globe, don't forget to subscribe to a J Factory Flow, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next fascinating journey. Let's begin today's amazing story.
The high-resolution cameras scrutinize the guilloche pattern. When a microscopic dust particle is flagged, the technician initiates an automated cleaning cycle. The automated verification unit ensures the 100,000 Rial note's most visible security feature is genuine and precise.
Specialized units apply the invisible UV ink, creating a covert security feature, visible only under specific verification conditions. The iridescent security band shifts dramatically from green to gold to blue, confirming the authenticity of the 100,000 Rial note.
Clear to engage straps. Straps secured. Ready for dispatch. Focus on the holographic patch and the intaglio printing. As you can see under the UV light, the fluorescent threads are clearly visible.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.